How to install a solar charge controller. We have several methods for installing a solar charge controller. I'm going to be sharing one of the several methods, and in this method the first thing you need to do is to make a hole on the wall, on the brick wall. So you need to make a hole on the brick wall. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to fix a fishing peg. You need to fix a fishing peg so that you can tighten your screw inside the fishing peg. As you can see, this is a fishing peg. This is fishing peg. So you need to have at least 6 or 10 during installation. So insert the fishing peg. You can insert the fishing peg in the hole that you just make. Make sure the hole is not too wide. Then you can tighten your screw to the fishing peg and tighten properly, and make sure that the charge controller is firmly tightened to the wall.